Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. In this episode I'm gonna talk just a little bit about the new batteries that I get. I get only one, but I'm gonna show you what I have and why this one is better. This is gonna be the M12 red lithium high output 2.5. So let me show you what I have and I'm gonna talk a little bit about it. As you can see right here, I have few batteries. I have another 6.0 charging like these ones. These ones runs great. They last pretty much the whole day while I'm working. I have few tools in here, but mainly for what I use right now, these batteries, they came really handy because they have good power for these tools, the M12s. Now I have these ones. They don't last very long time. This is the 1.5 red lithium battery. This one as well. This one is a little bit better. Is the 2.0 red lithium. Kind of old, but I just got this one today. This is around $80 plus tax. This is the new one, the high output. This is gonna run 25% cooler and it's gonna have 25% more power than these small ones. Even the 1.5 or the 2.0, this is the 2.5. So chemical resistant, oil resistant. This is coming in different type of look. This is matte. The old ones, they were shiny on the plastic on the bottom. But I test this today at my job. Runs all day, a lot of power. It's gonna run cooler than the other ones and it's gonna last a lot longer. This one I can compare it with this. This is the old 6.0, but probably I'm gonna get a couple of this new high output on this size. But overall I'm using this right now. I only get one because they're expensive. They're expensive. $79 plus tax. This is the first one I got, but it's been running really good. And let me show you the tools that I'll be using it today, which I use it all day. And let me show you the tools. So like I said, I use this new one, the high output, with the multi-tool pretty much all day. It runs really good. I have no problems. Most of the times we use these ones at work, but I use this all day. Runs really good with it. No problems, a lot of power, and like I said, it runs cooler, so really good. And also in my impact range, I've been using it with this one too. I use it a couple times today, but most of the times we cut a lot of stuff with a multi-tool and I've been using it with it. I tested today and I have no problems. I do recommend these little batteries. I have a lot to spare in here because pretty much we use these tools all day. As you can see, this one multi-tool, we use it all day. These two, they stay at home. Also my big impact, they stay at home, but at work pretty much this one is the one we use all the time. But I just wanted to show you the new battery. Check it out. I run it all day. It runs really good, performs really well. Compact design, because most of the times we use these ones, but sometimes we have to cut in little spaces where we don't have a room. This is where this one comes really handy. So check it out. I'm gonna put the link in the description for this one. This is the high output 2.5. Really good, a lot of power, better technology, chemical resistant, oil resistant, and it's gonna run a lot better and with more power obviously than this, but similar to this. Link in the description for this new high power M12 red lithium battery from Milwaukee.